New forms of the Rolls-Royce Phantom don't show up frequently, so the organization can be excused for making what the British would portray as somewhat of a whine when they do. The first Phantom was presented in 1925, and Rolls asserts that makes it the longest-lived demonstrated name in car history. In truth, there have been some protracted holes between a couple of the ages, yet this new 8th era is specifically supplanting the present auto, which was the primary BMW-created Rolls-Royce. This, we remind you, is an auto for individuals who view the Bentley Mulsanne as excessively normal. In spite of the fact that the new body shell is both lighter and, for Rolls-Royce, 30% stiffer than the past cars, the official control weight of 5,862 pounds really is higher. That, we're told, is because of more standard gear and furthermore a colossal measure of sound-stifling material to help convey on the organization's aspiration to make the Phantom the undisputed calmest auto on the planet, in any event as estimated in the lodge. The control weight incorporates no under 287 pounds of acoustic protection and triple-layer 0.2-inch thick glass in all windows. As per the organization's building chief Philip Cohn, the new Phantom is 10% calmer at interstate cruising speeds than its officially sepulchral forerunner. Moreover, the new silent seal tires, created by Rolls-Royce and Continental, contain a layer of froth inside the tires that diminishes general tire clamor by 9 decibels. Rolls-Royce vehicles have dependably been planned from the rearward sitting arrangement forward, and in spite of the fact that we're informed that the new Phantom has been intended to offer a more honed dynamic experience than any of its forerunners, most proprietors are probably going to encounter it from the back as opposed to the front. We don't yet have an affirmed sticker price, despite the fact that it is probably not going to be of incredible worry to those with the liquidity to be Phantom purchasers. The past release began at $422,925 for the short wheelbase display. The expanded wheelbase was estimated from $497,525. Given the bunch customization choices, the base cost only speaks to the time when transaction starts.